girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Juanes here with a song called Gris. Alright, so this is the first time Juanes is here. It's a big artist, so I think he deserves a spot here on Gordon Guitar. Let's take a look at this song called Gris. We had a capo set on the 2nd fret. So with that, 5 different chords. Let's take a look at the chords. So F first, we have a bar chord, so you place a bar on the 1st fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. A minor next, so that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. C next, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And then finally we have the E minor, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so very easy to handle this song. We have an easy strumming pattern. Let's grab the F, and one strumming around will be down, up, down, up. And here I like to do the down, up on the bass strings, and then the next down, I go down to the top strings. Okay, and then I end with the final up on the bass mid strings there. So bass, bass, top, bass. Alright, so that's how I do it. So down, up is one round. And we have pretty much one chord progression that goes through the entire song. And you're gonna play 4 strumming rounds per chord. So I'm gonna speak me while I'm playing, so you just follow me here, and I'm gonna mention the chords there. So let's start with F, then A minor, then C, then G. We were half in now, so let's start again with F, and again A minor. Now we go into an E minor, and we finish off with G again. And that's how you play Juanes Gris. F, A minor, C, G, F, A minor, E minor, and G. You play that through the entire song. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please thumb up this video. Show me some love here, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I really appreciate all your support there. So thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.